Within the realm of artificial intelligence, it has become very hard to know that which thing is the truth and which one is not. So today I'll tell you that how you can get to know if an image or video is AI generated or not, and it works 110%. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use, and after that you have to go to Google and search here face on live and hit the search button, and the very first website which appears up, which has the link faceonlive.com, you have to tap on it. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone or even on your laptop, it works absolutely the same on all of the devices. And when you are redirected to its website, you can scroll through it to read all the details and functionalities the website is providing. And after that, you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen, and after that you have to go with the second option in this list, which is products. And after that, the second last option in this list is deepfake detection SDK, so you gotta tap on it. And after that, scroll through this page, and here you get an option, try it yourself. And here you get an option to upload the image. For example, if I open up ChatGPT, here you can see that this image is AI generated. I have downloaded this image, and now let's try it out. You have to go to the website and tap on it, and you have to upload your photo. For example, this is the one, and press the done button, and when the image has done downloading, you have to tap on this detect button available under the photo. And when we scroll down, here you can see this website has confirmed that this photo is likely deep fake, or it is 95% chance that this image is AI generated. Now let's try with the image of a real person, see if it works fine for that. For example, let's upload the image again, and let's upload the image of the famous Shah Rukh Khan, which everyone knows is the real person. And after that, tap on detect again, and when we scroll down here, and here you can see the results, it is no deep fake, means this is the real image or the picture of a real person. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.